Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Axiory's news broadcast. My name is Sarah, and here is the latest high-impact market news for the 25th of January. The European Central Bank will give a first indication today of how much of its 1 trillion euros in 3-year loans banks plan to repay early. In a statement at around noon in Frankfurt, the ECB will say how much of the first 3-year loan banks have pledged to hand back at the first early repayment opportunity on the 30th of January. The ECB flooded financial markets with 2 tranches of 3-year loans a year ago to avert a credit crunch after banks stopped lending to each other because of Europe's sovereign debt crisis. Banks have the option to repaying the loans, which were lent at the average of the ECB's benchmark rate over their duration after a year. And here is another high-impact news. U.S. Treasury Secretary Timothy Geithner, the most senior Obama administration official remaining from the team that grappled with the world's financial crisis since the Great Depression, leaves office today as his likely successor seeks Senate approval. Geithner hands a more stable economy to Jack Lew, President Barack Obama's nominee, as the administration bounces from one confrontation to another with Republican lawmakers on issues including the budget and the debt ceiling. Geithner hasn't said publicly what his next career move will be. And today we are expecting only European Central Bank 3Y LTRO repayment at 11 a.m. GMT. Here are the major currency pairs, and up first is the euro. For the 24 hours, euro rose against the dollar as investor sentiment improved following upbeat US employment data and positive Eurozone manufacturing data. Also, the tentative manufacturing PMI for January rose above expectations. For the 24 hours, the dollar strengthened against the yen. Yesterday, the German Chancellor Angela Merkel indicated that the Japanese government's call for monetary easing and central bank cash that has been released to limit Europe's debt crisis create risks to the global economic recovery. In response to concerns made by Angela Merkel, Japan's economy minister Akira Amari stated that he intends to resolve such concerns at the ongoing World Economic Forum in Davos. Meanwhile, the minutes of the Bank of Japan's latest monetary policy meeting indicated that the central bank has decided to follow further monetary easing, citing high degree of uncertainty about the domestic economy. The minutes also indicated that a couple of members proposed decreasing the short-term interest rate to influence foreign exchange rates. Finishing up our broadcast is the Multitrader section. Each day we present a strategy with its description and current trading details to support your investment decisions. Today's Multitrader strategy is TAIJI, which is one of the average risk strategies. It made a 0.3% profit last week, and today we have chosen its most recent ratio of currency pairs traded to give you more insight into the performance characteristics of this strategy. In this month, TAIJI has traded mainly the sterling-dollar pair, as you can see from the chart. This pair makes up 56% of the trading, with another 22% belonging to the American and Canadian dollar pair, and the rest of the time it uses euro-dollar and Aussie dollar pairs in 22% of trades. Starting next Monday, we are switching over to a new broadcast schedule. The new broadcast format will be a week-ahead outlook of your Forex technical and fundamental news with a pick of the week multi-trader strategy description. We hope you will enjoy this new time frame of the Axiory broadcast, and we look forward to any of your feedback. That's all for today. Enjoy your weekend, and don't forget to check us out on Facebook or follow our Twitter. Bye-bye.